Good night, Europe. My name is John Guy. I am 30 years old, and I am from Bogota. I live south of Bogota with my wife for 4 years. I do not have children. I study psychology, and I work in a technology group. I am a musician and practice swing and weekends. I am in Brazil, enjoying my holiday. This place is spectacular. The people are very friendly and the sea is beautiful. I am very happy. Of the new seven wonders of the world, the most amazing is the Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. It's one of the great emblems of the city of Rio de Janeiro, and it is a sample of the ingenuity that man has developed over the years. It is a statue of Jesus of Nazareth that stands on a pedestal of 8 meters and reaches a height of 3 meters. This statue with open arms shows the city of Rio de Janeiro and represents a welcome to all those who come to the city. It is an ideal place for tourists who can enjoy a spectacular view from the top of the hill. Thanks, Europe. Good night.